Welcome. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated. Welcome.
Hey, what's up, babes, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another skincare review, and I'm so excited about this one. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lee Poitier, and this is Life with Lee. If you are back for another skincare review, well, I got a good one for you. Today, we are reviewing the Truskin Vitamin C with Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E Serum. I am so excited to finally be reviewing this product because after trying the Tree of Life Vitamin C, Hyaluronic Acid, and Retinol Kit, this one popped at me and I was like, okay. Before I decided to commit to one brand, I was like, let me see what the hype is all about with this product. So today is the day. Now in this video, I will be doing a full overview, my thoughts, the unpacking, and everything else in the process of getting this product. Today is actually day one of the 7-day process. If you want to see the before and after of using this product, definitely check back next week, Monday, July 26th, I believe. So turn on your notifications if you're already subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, this is the moment. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on skincare reviews, beauty hacks, and so much more. If you watched my videos before, I did do a Tree of Life 7-day process. You can click the card above. I waited 2 months before I started this process so that this one showed its true self in a sense. In the last 2 months, I only used my Cetaphil to clean my face and my moisturizer and some sunscreen. Nothing else. I gave my face a break from any other serums just so that you all can see the full process and the before and after, okay? I ordered it from Amazon and that was a whole process. Their customer service was so on point. The lady checked up on me, made sure everything went well. It did not go well the first order that I did, long story, but I will say from that experience, their customer service was on point. So I do appreciate that, them following up, making sure everything was good, and just really engaging with the customer. Shout out to you all for that. It came in an Amazon package. This was the box that it came in, and it also had like a clear wrap around this to protect the box and the branding and everything, because this is low-key a very beautiful box. For 1 fluid ounces, it costed me about $20. One of the things from other reviews was, is it just the hype from the brand or does it actually work? So we're testing that out in the 7-day process. Again, definitely check that out next week, Monday, July 26th. So it came in this packaging with all the details as far as the ingredients, and on the back it has directions. It says cleanse your face and pat skin dry.
Using a toner, apply toner first. Apply 3 to 5 drops of serum to your fingertips, palm, and or back of your hand.
It also has their philosophy as a brand. So this packaging is gorgeous. They sent a PDF in your email along with your purchase, which I love because we don't need any more paper than we already have. You won't lose it and you can always go back to reference it. So they sent their product guide with all the details, important information, as well as like frequent asked questions and ingredient index. So the bottle came basically close to the top. I did just use 3 to 5 drops for day one of the 7-day process. Here's where it's at now, and this is how it looks. It does have a cloudiness to it. It does have a scent. It smells like the vitamin E. If you know what like aloe or like greenery smells like, I know that's a weird thing to say. It definitely has an organic greenery smell to it. That's just from my opinion of all the scents I've smelt in life. But it doesn't stink. It does say that it's formulated without parabens and sulfates. If you have used this product, go ahead and drop in the comment section how your process has been, what it's done for your skin, and do you recommend it over any other products on the market right now for vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and a vitamin E combination. It is 100% vegan and 100% cruelty free, so kudos to them for that. It doesn't say specifically how much of the vitamin C or the vitamin E serum is in here, but it does say 5% of the hyaluronic acid is in here. And it does say for most of their customers are reporting softer, smoother, and brighter skin after a couple of weeks, but they say to go ahead and give it 6 to 8 months to give it the full zhuzh of it. The first put on was very simple and very smooth. Again, like I said, it does have a smell, but not a horrible stench, so that's a good thing. And when you put it on your hands, you rub it and you put it on your face, it doesn't have the coolest effect that I've felt on other serums, but it does have a very nice light moisturizing feeling. So I can definitely tell the difference with the vitamin E and how smooth it feels on my face. The process I did while using this product was to cleanse my face with Cetaphil, and then I patted my face dry, and then I put 3 to 5 drops in my hand, rubbed a little bit, and then I placed it on my face. I definitely made sure I got underneath my eyes. I did some on my neck, and I did a little bit on the back of my hands as well. And then I followed up with my moisturizer, very light because it's summertime and I don't want to clog my pores too much. But the hyaluronic acid does have a drying effect, so you want to be mindful of the moisturizer you do decide to use after using this product. Again, stay tuned for the before and after of using this product for 7 full days, twice a day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. God bless you. Later.